Well, good Sunday evening. We were just trying to have a little cookout and it started pouring. It was a downpour. So I came in and I thought I would get working on day 26 of the Junk Journal July Challenge hosted by Meg Journals and Get Messy Art. In my last video, I said when I think of cozy, I think of sitting in my cozy chair with a cozy blanket and a cozy cup of tea or cocoa, looking out my window and in my warm house and watching the snow fall. But it's July, and so I thought of what could be cozy in July, and I thought of a bonfire outside, sitting around with family and friends and roasting marshmallows and making s'mores. That to me is a cozy summer night. So I'm going to try to make some flames with this and some wooden logs with this for our bonfire. So I found some images of flames that I'm going to try to copy and cut out, and then I need to remember that you know how big my page is going to be, and I do believe I'm going to use this page, so I need to, I don't know, I think my flames could be about this big one, the biggest one. And yeah, let's get started on that. Alright, so here are my 3 flames that I am going to cut out. We have a big one, the middle one, and the baby one. Okay, so there's my flame. And now I just have to do my little logs and figure out what else I need to do to complete my prompt. For the logs, I figure I will just draw some log-shaped little pieces of different sizes. Shouldn't be too hard, right? Famous last words. Here are my little logs, and I'm going to put, you know, try to make like a little stack of firewood. So I have this grass paper, and I think I'm going to put that behind the fire. That might look cute. So let's get that measured out and glued down. Now I have my grassy background, and I'm going to just go ahead and put some firewood on my page. Like kind of like this. Big one. Got a couple of big ones, a couple of small ones, and we'll just kind of try to do it like that. I can make more if I need to, but I think that's good for now. Well, maybe I'll put like this one right here. That'll do. I can make more little ones. I'll make more little ones if I need to. Alright, so let's do that. Okay. Now we're going to do the big flame. I need a scrap paper. I got a scrap paper. I've got 3 little wood pieces left. Let's do this. I know you probably can't see me putting the glue on, but we all know how to put glue on. Alright, maybe you can, I don't know. Okay, so we're going to put a little white one over, or a little yellow one over like that, and another little yellow one over like this, and then the little tiny orange one is going to kind of go like that. So there we go. Well, it's not, I want to be able to see it, so maybe we'll put it like that. That's better. So there's that. Now we'll put the rest of the logs on. Kind of like this. I don't like the way that one landed. Kind of need to be up a little bit. There we go. The last one I think is okay to be enough. How about like that? That's pretty good. I don't know. Maybe it needs to be down a little bit. There. That looks like a pretty good bonfire, I think. So we'll now need to figure out our s'mores. And I'm not sure if I might just keep it like this. A cozy bonfire. I think I need another piece of wood here, though. You really just need to cut strips and then just round the edges a little bit, because actually it would be cool to have a little twig coming off of it, so I think I will do that. So I need a thicker little piece, and so I have enough room to have a little twig coming out. Let's see. We don't want it to be perfectly straight. Let's see. There we go. And we'll round this off as much as I can. There. So that kind of, we're going to put that right there. And then another little one over here. Well, not so little, but yeah, I think that's good. I don't know if you can tell once it's glued down that there's a little twig on it, but I'll know. So let's do this. I don't know. I think it needs down in the center. I think actually like that is good. There, how about that? Okay, I think that is perfect, actually, just the way that is. So I decided to print out a little picture of a s'mores kit to put right under here from my little Kodak thing. I forget what it's called. Kodak step prints. And it's bigger than I had anticipated it would be. I thought it was going to be small. And you know, these are stickers, so you can just stick it right on. So that's going to go there, and I'm going to put my number of the prompt up here. And we'll do that with a chocolate brown circle. How's that? And this is 26. And it's called Cozy, and this is my idea of a cozy summer evening. Making s'mores around a toasty little campfire. Alright. And this is prompt number 26. And that's going to go right up here. And there we have it. My cozy evening of making s'mores by the bonfire. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you maybe will be able to make your own bonfire and have some s'mores tonight. That would be fun. And I just appreciate you all so much. Thank you so much for watching and stopping by. I hope you're all well and healthy, and we'll see you again in the next video, which will be postcard. I have a lot of postcards. So now I just have to figure out something to do with them. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.